welcome back to more gosh dang Doodle God. Okay, let's do some more stuff with things and stuff. Yes, that's how video games work. Ba-bam! Put some I remembered thingy-mabobbers, which is good. Where's knowledge? Bam! Video games. Then we want No, we do want fabric. And, this guy. Where is fabric again? There he is. Found him. Video games. That's another one. Another one that we can do that I also remembered. Bam! No, it's there. Silly. Game. Then there's a couple more that I don't... Now, what was the other one that I saw? Because I don't know. Not that one. Bread. I know this one now. Bam! Toaster. Video games. I guess. I don't know. Maybe I just need to be better at video games or something. That does actually make sense, though. Another one that we can do is this. No? I thought that was something. That one? No. I thought there was a thing that I didn't have yet. Oh, well. No way, I remember, I'm dumb, I'm stupid. Where is it? Here it is. Tank. I am being dumb. That's just how I do. Shopping cart. Shopping plus cart? That makes sense. Because I have a cart, and then we have the shopping thing, and not there. That one? Yeah. It just makes sense to do that, duh. And then, what's the other one? There's another one I had. Whatever. Okay, this is a thingy-mabobber too, which is actually pretty cool, I guess. Book. Water. We know oil, we did that one. That guy, that one, this guy. Oh, Zeppelin. A Zeppelin. As some people would say. Only I would say that, that's for sure, though. There's another one, I don't know. Hit recharged. Awesome. Okay, throw stuff at stuff until stuff... Oh, wait, that one. Bam! That's cool. Now, I have no idea. Crossword. Game. I know that one. I do know that one. I remember that one. Bam! It's done! Video games, that's one. Now, we need 50 more. That's gonna be something. This is another one. I know that. Bam! Because I looked at stuff and I was like, I got it. Don't worry. I'll remember all of them. I forgot all of them. Every single one of them. Vacuum cleaner. Gosh dang vacuum cleaner. Okay, now it's going to finish this one. Which I don't... I remembered it. I was like, I don't remember it. And then I was like, wait. I remember it. Where is it? Where? Bam! That's not it? What? I thought that was it. Gosh dang it. Barcode. I don't know, something plus something, that's for sure. Okay. Yay. That was cool. Let's do another one. Something in here. That's cool. Oh, super glue. I guess that does kind of not really make that much sense, but oh well. I'm gonna use another one. Boom! Fax machine. Neat. I want another one. Is that even how that works? I don't think so. And I swear I did that one before and it didn't give it to me. That one, video games. Give me another. Any cool ones that is there? Because that would make some sense. Okay, no. Nope. And nope, come on, thank you. Okay, anything there? That one? This guy. That one. None. That one. This guy. That one? No. I gotta think about it. I'm trying to think with my brain hole zone thing. Come on, it's gotta be one of these thingy bobbers, right? I mean, why would it even show it then? Not that one. Gosh dang, do I not know what it is? Maybe. Oh, it's that one. I'm dumb. Okay, at least we only have like one in that one. And now it comes to the time where I don't know what I'm doing. Which is actually not grape at all. It's not grape. Very not grape. Because I don't know. I don't know stuff. It just makes sense that I don't know things because I don't know how they work. Because that's how video games work or something. That one? Because it's a telescope radio, but like, no. What about the void? Where's the void again? It's in there. What about the other one? What about that radar? Bam. No. Okay, that's fine. Alright. Yeah, I should have probably figured... Oh, we did that. That was the zipper. Because we got 2 now. We don't need to do any of them. Give me a better one. Flash memory. How am I supposed to know that? I have no clue. That's not good. At all. Oh, well. I do have that. Maybe it's like microchip plus something. Maybe microchip plus microchip. That would make sense. Processor. Okay, what about processor plus processor? Nothing. Microchip? Nothing. No. That's fine. Mechanism? Nothing. Gosh dang it, video game. Energy. Electricity. Anything? Alrighty, fine game. I'll figure it out myself with my brain zone. Alright, we got a lot of things, but like, I don't know what to use with those thingy-mabobbers. It's like there could be any in that one, but then I don't know what the thing is in that one. And I still don't know how to make a satellite. It's something. It's something plus something. It probably very easy, and I'm just like very dumb. Like what could be like? Is it really just like something simple, and I'm just being like stupid? Probably. What about like not that one? Actually, yes, that one. Nothing. Okay. And I tried this spaceship before, and it didn't work. Which is not cool, video game. Not cool at all. It's not that one and that one. Okay, and it's not that. What about jet engine? No. Okay, I have no clue whatsoever. That's the problem with, like, video games, I guess. Audio cassette. Well, we have the music thingy-mabobber. Where is it? There's music. Music plus, like, I don't know, mechanism? No. Like, you have to, like, I don't know, store it? Music plus, like, something, right? DVD, no. CD, no. Like, it's before it. Like, how would that work? What about, like, yeah, that's the problem. I'm not sure. That, what? That makes, like, okay, whatever. It kind of makes sense. Only a tiny bit makes sense. By the way, we're only like 74% there. That's cool. Alright, a bazooka! I don't know, I have no idea, like, weapon plus, like, what would be a bazooka? Like, weapon plus, like, missile, I guess, because that makes sense. It is, in fact, that. My gosh, I'm very cool and smart. Okay, I still don't know what that one is, and I still don't know what that one's for. I wish I knew. Like, could be anything. What about, like, nah, probably not. And then there's still, like, things in there, and that one, and this guy, that loser, this duder, him. Okay, give me a thing, sunglasses. Oh, I do remember those, though. That's helpful. Where is the glass? Bam! That's what it was. Gosh dang, I feel stupid now. Why didn't I do that before? I don't know, because dumb idiot face? Yeah, that's probably the reason. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. And that one's almost done. That one needs like 1, 2, 3 more. Same. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 more. That's cool. And then this guy needs like 4 more also. And then this guy needs like so many more, my man. That guy needs so many also. Barcode. I'm gonna go with shopping plus, like, I don't know, knowledge or something? Where is shopping? There it is. No. Shopping plus, like, I don't know, lasers, I guess? Where is laser? I don't know where laser is. Laser, that makes sense. No, it's not that. Work? No. It's not that either. No, I did it again. I'm not sure. 'Cause it's like, it has to be with something. Because you go, boop, and you're like, oh man, thank you. Money? There is money. Okay, at least I'm somewhat smart. Not really. MP3 player. I'm not sure. This is almost there. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I mean, that one's almost there. So, like, MP3 player. What would that be? It's probably music plus something. But then, like, what? What would it be? Like, man? Duder? None of those. What about CD? No. We already did DVD, and it's like a small one. Phone? Copyright. None of those. That one? No, okay, that's fine. What about, like, that plus, mechanism? No. Book? Paper? Nothing. I'm trying to think what that would be. Fun? Is it fun? Where did it go? In there. There we go. No. Work. Man. Throw man at it. None of those. Okay, that's fine. Knowledge. It's not music. We know that. Work. Give me a thing. Okay, this is not helpful. But I guess it could be kind of helpful, but I don't know where it's helpful. Okay, that one, not that one, not... Oh! Software. Oh, there we go. That one's done. That's good. Alright, so now... I gotta figure out the rest of this stuff. So, that'll be cool. Let's try one more. Aqualung. Okay, probably water plus, like, I don't know, something. Oh, wait, what about the gas mask? Where's the gas mask? This one? Yeah! Yeah, I'm smart. So until next time, I'll be even more smart. Allegedly. Alright, bye.